How to make $2,000 net profit in just a few simple steps? That sounds cool and great. So let's do everything in order and let's go to trading. And let's start by setting the current set of indicators. This is a fractal strip with period 15, exponential moving average with period 20, and oscillator ADX with specified parameters 15. Well, I've already done a detailed analysis of the market for the extreme period of time. And right now, you can see all currency pairs with the most optimal and stable nature of move. Well, trading on the OTC market, respectively, outside of stock quotes, and all currency pairs here have a high interest rate and payouts. And for today's movement nature, this set of indicators is very well suited. We will gonna open deals for the maximum amount of balance, try to make a good spread of deposit. We have a minute time frame and we will open deals for a minute time of expiration. Every position I open, I'm about to explain in detail so that you can learn as much positive information as possible. So let's start and let's pick the first currency pair in order to open the most favorable entry point. And right on this asset, the main reference will be to analyze the moving line ADX. Let's highlight the working area here. First of all, there is a renewal of the historical maximum and overloading the trend, yeah. And we see that now just it's forming a new global structural low. This is the main thing in this deal. And I think that after these three rather impulsive candles, there is a potential for a movement upwards. So let's look at the result of the first deal. And the first position is definitely closing plus. There was a fairly easy entry point here. I think it was very clear. Let's go ahead and find the next entry point. Let's open a downward position in the direction of the real trend here. First of all, ADX doesn't show any overload in the direction. There was a renewal of the structural low. And what's next? Then we see this is a fairly strong rebound for this section of the movement. So after this rebound, I still think that downhill movement should happen because there is no conjunction in the trend. Yeah. And let's see the result. And the deal is closed in plus, guys. Great. Right at the last seconds, there was an exit and position fixed in plus. So, yeah, let's continue trading. And for the maximum balance amount, we gonna open a deal and let's, yeah, find the next entry point here. And here we gonna open a trade for the increase. This is quite a large entry point in my opinion, a trend opening, yeah. So let's highlight the working area. After the formation of the global maximum point, there is a reversal, as you can see, and you have to look at this impulsive section of movement, about four descending candles here, yeah. And what next? Okay, then we see that we still have in this area crossing sliding from below up. So here we can open up to the uptrend, yeah, and yeah, watch for the result here. And as you can see, the deal is closing very well and positive here. In general, there is nothing difficult. And yeah, again, put the maximum amount for the further opening. Let's continue and select the next point. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group where I post tons of fun content, share travel photos, and of course, alongside from my lifestyle updates. You'll also gain deeper knowledge in trading. So, several times a week, you'll receive free open test signals. Just, guys, turn on notifications and keep an eye on the post. And if you want to become a part of our team, you're welcome to join our private traders club. We're currently actively selecting new members. And in this club, every trader gets personalized trading advice and 24/7 support. So, of course, you will be able to get alongside me and my team every day, guys. So, to apply for membership, just message me privately with the Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. And spots are limited. So, now it's time to get back to trading. Okay, let's take a position on the downward trend here, focusing on the moving line at EX. And what is that? And there is no overload in the dynamics of movement, and the rollback was formed previously. Yeah, see that with the subsequent formation of a local high, and after that, the movement went down. There was a crossing of the sliding middle from top to bottom, and we opening the deal almost at this intersection. So here, the opening must go down for sure. Well, we see the result. Wow, excellent. The deal closes without problems in plus. Okay, let's put again the maximum amount for further opening. Yeah, let's open another deal. Go ahead and find the next entry point. And here is a pretty interesting entry point, and I want to open the deal for promotion here. I think in any case, there should be a reaction in the dynamics, and there should be an exit. And yeah, let's highlight the working area. Here is a little different nature of the transaction here. The structural level here is interesting for me. And as we see, it has already been breached. But as I said earlier, in any case, the reaction must follow here, and the dynamics of movement should go higher, at least in the next minute. So let's see the result. Well, in the last seconds, there was an exit, and we closed the position in plus. As I said, at the very beginning of opening the position, there must be a reaction, and as you can see, it has been received by us. And this candle is very impulsive and goes up. And with this result, let's conclude today's trade process. Yeah, very good results we obtained here. Let's record, of course, today's profile and go to the withdrawal tab. We'll use Tether for the design. Okay, let's get out $1,750 and insert the address of the wallet, and you need to enter the code of confirmation. Yeah, of the authenticator Google, then press continue, and the operation is successfully performed. So this is how the trade has worked out today. I hope I could explain everything clearly and you have no questions. And guys, if you have any question about trading, you can find my Telegram in the description of this video and in the profile header of the channel. So go there, just text me, and I will try to take my time to everyone and help everyone. I hope I managed to make this material and trading session as useful as possible. Yeah, and you will give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So I'm Rachel. See you.